Hello, welcome to Rudra Surgical. Now today we are showing Android endotainer. This is basic 5 instrument training set. First one needle holder, Itigon type, another fenestate, Maryland and curve scissor and Bhandar curve. White suturing pad, 2 plastic cone and Android endotainer. First you get a cone and press in this put easily for operating practice. Now get any instrument like Maryland and other for the practice. Or you can also record this video. So start here. Now our recording is on. Now you can see. Now you can see here the Maryland. Best for the practice for new surgeon and students. Now easily you can hear. If you want this, so please contact us on our contact number and below board number and description. Thank you.